Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, One Rental at a Time, back with Dustin and Jonathan from Convoy Home Loans. How you guys doing?
Amazing. How are you?
I'm doing well, man. So I saw a report that I want to kind of highlight and see if I read it correctly. And that basically that the retail banks, the Wells Fargo, Bank of America, are declining in mortgage origination percentages, and brokers such as Convoy is picking up the market share. So I believe the market share for brokers is highest on record. I think I know why, but I wanted to see if that's what you guys are seeing as well.
Yeah, no, that's correct. The market share for broker originations, I think was at like 22 point something percent, highest since 2009. There was a point where we were almost only at like 9%.
Oh, wow.
And the data proves it. Look, it's better for clients, it's better for loan officers to work with a broker. And it's a simple, summary is that the more options you have in any facet of life, the better. And obviously the definition of a broker is that we have more options than if you went directly just to Wells Fargo. So
Right.
I think that's very exciting for us and kind of shows where the market is heading, because the big banks can't really compete when they only got one offer. And in this market, clients need more than one type of offer.
Yeah, the other thing that I think Convoy, such as you two have proven, if people go back and watch your playlist, is not only do you are a broker, hence more options, but what I've seen you two do in the last 6 months is you've created brand new options, right? We've announced, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 different programs that didn't exist one week and they existed. So not only is it options, but you will create things to meet client needs at a record rate. I mean, Wells Fargo creating a new program probably takes them a year to get 17,000 VPs to say yes. You two work together, make it happen. So it's also, you guys listen to your clients and create new products. Isn't that fair?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, when Dustin and I started Convoy, that was our goal, right? Our goal was to tend to the investors, the luxury market, like the people that were untapped and untouched by brokers previously. Now we're in a situation where all these brokers are trying to rush into it, right, and trying to compete, which is good for the market. But at the same time, there's a lot of people that are, don't really know what they're talking about at this, and throwing things that don't work. We specifically made our company catered to the investors to make sure that we have the programs available to be able to have the access to the funds available to be able to create programs for investors. So, we have like we talked about in the last video, new or not new, but like decently new 30-year fixed product that's in the sixes, DSCR, which is unheard of right now. And we have other, 5-year balloon loans that are in the sevens, like that don't require income. We have, 5-year arms that are high leverage at 30-35% down, and you're getting a 6.25. So it's like we have all these different products specifically for investors and for clients that need creative financing. So yeah, that's been our main focus, 100%.
Yeah. And then again, you also, I think you announced a real sexy program, seconds at 85% CLTV, if I remember correctly.
Yep.
Again, you're just creating products to meet the market need. So what I would tell an investor at One Rental at a Time is, if you want to review a deal, you want to see what's the best option, they need to reach out to you. How should they do that?
You can go to our website, convoyhomeloans.com, and fill out the form, or you can go, there's a little drop down in the job form for you guys to fill out as ORAT family.
Very, yeah. Folks, again, do yourself a favor, reach out, let them know. Again, as we talked about video number 2, they will run the numbers, tell you, hey, in this fourplex example, if you brought an extra $17,000 to the table, you would save 1.5 points. So again, these guys care about you. They'll look at your deal. They'll also, I've been told, tell you that's not a good deal. I've heard from people that you've said that, so I appreciate that. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.